This fruit worm has run out of luck. It has been detected by the ants. Ants can be relentless when they find a source of food. The fruit worm's efforts to escape are both brave and desperate. But with the ants increasing in numbers, it's a tough battle. The ants, with their teamwork and determination, might be hard to outmaneuver. It's a classic case of nature's harsh realities. Survival often comes down to quick thinking and adaptability. The worm's struggle highlights how every creature, big or small, has its challenges in the circle of life. Every second the ants are increasing their number. They want to take the prize home quickly. The fruit worm is trying to shake off the ants. It even slingshots itself for its life. But nature can be pretty unforgiving sometimes. It's a tough, raw part of life in the wild. If the worm does meet its end, it'll be part of the cycle that sustains the ecosystem, but it's always a poignant reminder of nature's unforgiving side. Soon the ants will penetrate the worm's skin and it will be game over.